Yo, what's up guys? So today we have a completely different type of video today. I know half y'all are mildly retarded, so I think this is actually in order to do this. Alright, here we go. So to water a plant, first turn this, get the water flowing. Now here's the tricky part, I have this little amazing doodad on here. The water is not going to come out unless I pull this lever. Now, if we go over to the plant, you just want to get kind of close to it, and then see if I can do this one-handed. Just not too hard. You just want to. Taught you, bitch. What's up? So hold it just like this. And, get it nice and wet. Get the leaves, nice and beautiful. And same with this one. Just get it like that. And if you want to get really fancy, you can do this. Just put it in between and do the helicopter thing we always do. That one always works perfectly. And then finally you just go up to it and you just, oh my god, look, cute Pete, what the fuck is that called? Flamingo, cute Pete. Okay, I'm just cutting that out. This is my dog. You should like my video for my dog. Anyways, I just got my second strike on my channel, so I'm gonna make an update video soon, basically on what I can post and what I can't post now. Some of y'all are just out here reporting my videos. It's too hard comedy. That's why in this one, I dialed it back like 10 notches on how vulgar I'm actually being. So I have a update video coming soon on what I can and cannot do. So I'll see y'all in the next one.